Hi, I'm Dom Vitti. I am the commercial advisor here at Mohawk Chevrolet. I started in the car business when I was 19 years old. I worked as a technician for about 4 or 5 years, went into the parts department for another 3 to 4 years, and then moved into being a service advisor, and I haven't looked back since. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my family. I have 3 beautiful children, twin girls and 1 14-year-old stepson, a beautiful wife. We love to do outdoor activities like fishing, hiking. The favorite part of my position is making people feel happy when they're leaving. A lot of people come into the dealership and they're not thrilled to be here, and hopefully by the time they're done with me, they're happy and ready to come back next time with a smile on their face. People should choose Mohawk Chevrolet just due to the atmosphere. I mean, we're all one big happy family here. We all work together as a big team, whether it's service dealing with sales and sales dealing with service or parts in between. We all just work together as one big happy family. Again, I'm Dominic Vitti, commercial service advisor here at Mohawk Chevrolet. If you need anything fixed on your vehicle, please feel free to reach out.